What did you draw, huh? May I see? Oh, the boy is in the swing. And there is a tree. What is this block? Moon. Moon? Oh no, what is this thing? This one? Bird. Bird. And how about this? Clouds. What? Clouds. Clouds? The boy is seeing a swing in the trees. And they have a mountain. Wow. No iPad today. Wow. Very good. Jagwantar gina niya in town nga wala sa iPad. Only Saturday and Sunday. Uy, ano na may green sulod? Di ba niyan ko gipusa? Unsa man ning nasa luyo?